Hey everyone, a long time no see. I know I started doing Vlogmas, but then I stopped because I was actually subbing at the girls' school. So today I'm bringing this exciting unboxing with you guys. For Valentine's Day, my hubby bought me a brand new Louis Vuitton purse, as you can see, with some flowers right there. So I got some flowers, roses. I got a new purse, and he also went to Quay, the sunglass place, and got me 2 pair of glasses. So here's the bag that the actual purse came in, and I haven't opened it because he told me I had to wait till Valentine's Day. So that's what I did. I already know what bag it is because I actually told him which one I wanted. So he got it, and I couldn't open it until today, which is Valentine's Day. So here is the receipt, and there's this, this is just a plain card. Hubby didn't sign it or anything because, you know, he didn't want to touch it or whatever, but let's go ahead with the unboxing. I'm super excited for this bag. I used to, oh, well, let me just show you the bag first. So you guys have probably seen a million unboxings. You already know, like, the box is magnetic, and then it comes in the dust bag. So we'll put that up here. Actually, let's put it up here so it looks cute. So this is the dust bag. You guys, I'm so excited for this purse. I ended up going with the, are you ready? The Speedy Bandolier 30. Back in like 2006 or 7, I had the regular Speedy 35, just the original with no strap. So I ended up selling that one and regretted it the whole time. And I have the Speedy 40, I think, and that's just an old one. And I wanted to add this one to my collection. So yeah, I'm super excited. So it comes folded like this. Of course, once you open it, it puffs out, and of course it is more of a slouchy bag, which I love. And it does have all the vachetta or vachetta, however you guys want to pronounce it, which is very white right now, as you can tell. So yeah, this one is actually made in, this one's made in Paris. I was dying to open this bag because I wanted to know where it was made, and this one's actually made in Paris, so I'm super excited about that. So it has the 2 handles on top, and I guess the older ones used to have like a little, I don't know if this is, I mean, it feels a little puffy, but I don't know. She's beautiful. Let's open her up. He actually left the lock on the zipper, so it has 2. You can like close it up in the middle, whereas the original Speedy, it has just 1 zipper. This has 2, so coming from both sides, and then you can lock it, which I probably won't ever lock my purse. And then on the inside is the strap. So there's 3 parts to it. So you can actually wear it crossbody, or you can remove the middle part and you can actually make it like a shoulder strap. Or if you don't want to use the strap at all, you can just hold it right here at your elbow. So yeah, as you can see, she's got a lot of creasing just because she's been, you know, stored. I'm super happy to be opening this for you guys. It's obviously just a big black hole. Well, brown, because she's brown on the inside. And then the pouch has a zipper. And in this pouch are the keys to, and the textile, or whatever you want to call this thing. The Speedy 30 is what I got. Sorry if it looks blurry. I'm kind of rusty on making videos, you guys, to be honest. Like, I've not wanted to vlog or anything lately, but here I am. So in this little pouch, you have all of these tags. And then you also have the keys to the lock. I'm actually going to remove the lock because I don't really want it on my purse. So yeah, that's the key. Sorry if it's blurry, you guys. I'm in my room and there's really the lighting comes from this way. And we got cats. We got 2 cats. One is Gucci and one's Louie. And listen, I did not name them. The girls named them. So anyway, yeah, let's put the straps on and he's actually at my door right now he's sticking his paw in there. Like, open the door. What are you doing? So I am so excited for this bag. It's so amazing to have it back into my collection. Look at her in all her glory. She is beautiful. And like I said, I used to have the 35 and that was just kind of too big. So I ended up going with the 30, which is in the middle, because like I said, I have the 40 and she's put away because she's very vintage. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Actually, let me show you my glasses because my camera's about to die. He got me 2 pair, like I said. This pair here, and then this one, which this box is amazing because it actually folds. So these are the glasses. And then this case, if you look at it, you fold the sides in and then it flattens up. So you can just stick it in your purse when you're wearing your glasses and then pop it open when you want to store them. And then he also got me this pair, which have like that tint to it. I will put the styles in the description box. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. Leave me a comment down below and I will be back with more videos for you guys, I promise. See you guys in the next video.